Howdy, 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 guys. Howdy. How are you guys doing today? I'm actually trying to get my jacket right now because I am going to head over to the shop to turn on my two little space heaters to heat up the space so that later I can go back and get a couple decor lessons done for my decor design sewing home style DIY channel. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. Actually, I'm so happy that you're here with me today, really. If you're here for the first time, my name is Peaches. On this channel, I am basically just sharing any and everything that goes on out here in the countryside where we have lived now for the past 9+ years. We bought ourselves a country property just over an acre, and we have been trying to fix her up and to make her into a space where we can invite others in to come and enjoy nature, right? So you're going to see a lot of DIY on the channel. You'll also see my family every now and again, right? Yeah, let's go over the store. And I call it the store, the studio. I think I gotta grab my keys. Okay, I think they're over there. Yeah, I got my keys here, so let's go outside to the studio to turn on those heaters. I always make sure I have the key that I'm going to use to open the door because now it's so cold. I don't want to be fudging around looking for key. So now I have my keys. Let's go. Gotta get my shoes on. Gotta get my shoes on. Yeah, it's chilly out here. It's not bone cold, but it is pretty chilly. Yeah, we're now in the studio / store. I'm just gonna turn on some lights. So turn on this heater here. I seriously think that I've gotten rid of the rats. Sorry, my correction. The mice. I have gotten rid of the mice because it's more than a week now since I've caught one on the 2 traps. So I am happy about that. Yeah. No mice, no mice, no mice, no mice, mice. No mice, no mice, no mice, no mice, mice. So this was my last lesson. I taught about cafe curtains. All you need to do about cafe curtains, how to measure your window, the fabric to choose, the different style cafe curtains, and how to calculate fabric for your cafe curtains. And so I'm just gonna erase this because what I'm getting ready to do later is a lesson about bolsters. We're gonna make bolsters 2 ways. So yeah, I've erased that and I'm gonna put these away. These are curtains that I made in a previous lesson. And so yeah, guys, if you check out my other channel, there's a lot I do on it that can help you to do DIY around your home to make it personal. Okay, gotta get rid of these. Not 100% sure if I'm gonna need my whiteboard, but I'm gonna let it stay here Then I have to put these. This is a tab curtain that I did, and I have a lesson on my channel that tells you how to make hidden tab curtains from tab curtains actually. I'm gonna use the sewing machine later, so I'll get it ready. And I keep a little container on my table because my roof leaks. That's what I'm trying to fix, you guys. Okay. And then we will have to choose fabrics that I will be using to make the bolsters. I use this to make a bolster that has a zipper, so I have to get a zipper that goes with this. There we go. That's a green zipper. I'm using it with this. It's a bit green. Let's see if we can find another one. This is a better color, but the length, I don't think the length. Oh, there we go. Woo. I am not very satisfied with the length on this. I think it needs to be okay, so maybe I can use a beige instead of a green. Yeah, this is what I'm going with. Okay. No, not these two at all. Not this either. I'm trying to find another piece of fabric. Yeah, this might be good. Oh, or maybe this. Either this or that. Okay, I have some pieces of fabric. Let's see if I can work with these on the inside. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use this wheel. Welcome to my storage, friends. I am going to look for fabric to do the other bolster. I'm gonna check in this cabinet. Okay, let me go down on these knees. These are panels I have to stitch to go on windows in my house. Oh, I remember there's a piece of fabric. Yeah. Yeah. I could use this. All right, I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, hopefully this winter I will. This is for stitching outdoor cushions. Hopefully this winter I will be able to stitch up some more curtains for my windows. Oh. Like I have lots of fabric I could use but I want to stick with fabrics that I have already used in my space. And so yeah, that's what I am going through and looking for pieces of fabrics that are already in the house. Oh, I wouldn't put this with this. They won't go together. They're gonna fight each other. Hear my cry, oh God. Attend unto my prayer. From the ends of the earth will I cry out to you. When my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. I think at some point I had cut fabric to make bolsters. No, I wouldn't put this with that. No. Okay, I also have this in my living room. This is the Roman blind, and this is the curtains. I don't want anything that's gonna be too. Okay, let's put this back over here. So my zippers. This, oh yeah, can this go around? Yeah. I have some lovely looking Christmas ribbons here. I should keep it out. Guys, you wouldn't know how it feels just to be able to function in the space, knowing that I don't have any mice that are building nests in my drawers like they have done in the past and ate up all my threads and stuff. They've gone in my bags that I have hanging, and they have pooped in there so bad. Like, not having them pestering me is such a good feeling. And that is one of the reasons why I have all my stuff in containers. I bought these from a lady I found on Facebook Marketplace. And so I was able to lock all my trims and elastic and cording and all those stuff away. And I've also been able to lock my fabrics away in some of these case goods, dressers, chest of drawers, cabinets, so that the rats can't get to it. And to show you that I have actually gotten rid of them, unless of course they find a weak spot and nibble away at it, because they are so persistent that they will go around the building and look for weak spots that they can nibble away at to get in. But to tell you that there are no rats in here, I left a piece of cheese here and it's still here. Usually when they eat something, I keep saying rats are the bigger ones, we have mice, but when they eat something they usually poop. Okay, so that's a good sign. The fact that there's nothing on the traps is a good sign, because look at this. I had to throw out, I have polyester filling in here and in my barrel here. I had this as a water barrel outside. I had to empty it washed it out, and dried on the inside, and it's stuffed with my polyester filling. There's polyester filling in this because I had to throw out a whole bunch because the rats got into it, and it's no good, right? And so I am happy that I'm not seeing any sight of rats. Mice, sorry. I'm gonna go against all design rules. There we go. We are ready for that lesson. I don't think we need anything else. I have my thread, my sewing machine, yeah. Warming up the space. Okay. Just a little walkthrough. Can't see everything. It's a bit dark in some places. No, it doesn't make sense going there. It's too dark. But yeah. All these pillows and stuff. I'm the one who made them. Have a bunch of hand selected, curated, antique, vintage wares. There we go. Do you like that pillow? Yeah, I made it. Okay, let's go over now. So warm and toasty. We're inside and it's so warm and toasty, toasty, toasty buddy. Toasty buddy. Hey.
What?
Stop it.
What?
Oh, whenever you're ready. Only I haven't eaten anything, so maybe I could warm a piece of the pizza that you left for me.
Oh, I warm mine and it's so
good.
It's like it's softer.
Oh yeah.
I put it in my
okay. So I took some stuff out there because I'm gonna be making some preserve. But whenever you're ready, because it's better to go down and come back inside, and then do what I wanna do. So maybe you guys can get some wraps later with the chicken, or you want rice with the chicken?
Maybe rice.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take up one of your.
But Javon's telling me that, well, no, this is not going to Canada Post. When you put your big old wrench them for me box the dirty top.
Oh, it is going dirty up. They're all dirty.
And your dirty glove them. Your hat is fine, but the gloves are dirty. Honey, it was leaking out.